everyone, welcome to Commerce Academy. In this video, we will be discussing regarding net present value method and profitability index method. Okay. First, we'll be discussing regarding net present value method. Let's see the meaning of NPV method. It is the difference between present value of cash inflows and present value of cash outflows. Okay. Look at the meaning of this and look at the formula. Both are similar. Okay. NPV is equal to present value of cash inflows minus present value of cash outflows. So this is the meaning and the formula for NPV method. Okay. After looking at both the methods, we will be solving problems simultaneously. Okay. Profitability index method. Let's see the meaning of it. It is the ratio of present value of cash inflows and present value of cash outflows. Okay. PI is equal to, and this is the formula, PI is equal to profitability index is equal to present value of cash inflows divided by present value of cash outflows. The NPV method and PI method, there is a concept called accept reject decision. Okay. Whether to accept the project or reject the project. So this will be very helpful for writing the conclusion. Okay, we'll discuss regarding NPV first. So the condition for accept reject decision is, the first condition is for accepting the project, NPV value should not be negative. And the second condition for accepting the project is highest value among the projects will be considered. Okay, if project 1 and 2, 3 are there, highest value of NPV will be considered as accepted. Okay. Now we'll discuss regarding PI. In PI, project will be accepted only if PI value is greater than 1. If any value is lesser than 1, then it will be rejected. If the PI value is more than 1, then it will be accepted. So that's only regarding the accept reject decision. We'll be solving the problems. Okay. While solving the problems, we will be able to understand both the concepts clearly. Okay. Firm has considered to purchase a machine for rupees 1,40,000. So this line is regarding cash outflow, right? So the cost of capital is 10%, that is not required. Okay. The cash inflows after tax before depreciation are rupees 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, 90,000 and 1,20,000. Look at this line. The cash inflows after tax before depreciation means CFAT BD is given, right? Regarding this, the amount is given, right? So that you have to identify the cash inflows after tax before depreciation. That is nothing but CFAT BD is given. Okay. Calculate NPV and PI when PV factor at 10% are 0.909 and this is given. Okay. Now let's solve the question. First, you have to put the heading determination of net present value. Now, as we have discussed the formula, present value of cash inflows minus present value of cash outflows. Okay. Now we have to find out present value of cash inflows. We know cash inflows, right? CFAT BD is nothing but cash inflows, right? Both are same. Now we require present value of cash inflows, not only cash inflows. Okay, we want present value. First, as you know, it is given for 5 years, right? You have to put year column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then given is CFAT BD, or you can write cash inflows also here. Okay, in place of CFAT BD, both are same, and write the amounts given in the question. Okay, then next you have to write, for finding out the present value of cash inflows, you have to write present value factor, that is PV factor. Okay, at 10%. Here it is given PV factor at 10%, 0.909, 0.826 and so on. Okay, the same thing have to write. You have to write here in this column, PV factor column. Okay, now you require, as per the formula, you require present value of cash inflow, right? For finding out the present value of cash inflow, you have to multiply CFAT BD column and PV factor column. Okay, I'll mark this column as 1 so that you can understand it better. 1 and 2. So this column you have to multiply 1 and 2. Only then you will get the answer for PV of cash inflows. Let's multiply. Okay, so 20,000 into 0.909, that is 18180. Okay, now next for second year, 40,000 into 0.826, that is 33,040. Next for third year, 60,000 into 0.751, that is 45,060. For fourth year, 90,000 into 0.683, that is 61,470. Okay, for fifth year, 1,20,000 into 0.621, that is 74,520. Okay. Now, for all the 5 years, we are calculating present value of cash inflows. Okay. So you have to add all the amounts, okay, of present value of cash inflow. Then you will get the total value of present value of cash inflow. Okay. While adding all these values, you will get 18,180 plus 33,040 plus 45,060 plus 61,470 plus 74,520. You will get 23, 22, 70. 2,32,270 is your present value of cash inflows. Okay, present value of cash inflow total is 2,32,270. So you have got the one part of the formula. Next, present value of cash outflow is given. So when this is given, don't go to multiply and all, just write the same cash outflow amount itself. Okay, as given in the question, as you know, that cash outflow given is rupees 1,40,000. Here, present value of cash outflow will be rupees 1,40,000 itself. Okay, so let's solve the question. So as you know that present value of cash inflow is 2,32,270 and present value of cash outflow will be 1,40,000. It will be same as given in the question. Okay, no changes will be there. Now we have to subtract both. You will get 92,270. So this is the answer for NPV. Okay, so this is the answer for NPV. Now we have to solve for profitability index, right? For profitability index, you have to put a heading again, determination of PI. Okay, then you have to put the formula. No need to draw the table again. Okay, the same table will be sufficient for both. Now for this, present value of cash inflows divided by present value of cash outflow is the formula for profitability index, right? The same table can be used here also. See, we have got present value of cash inflows as 2,32,270 and cash outflow is 1,40,000. The same values are to be used here. Okay, let me write here itself. 2,32,270 divided by 1,40,000. Okay, here please don't forget to put rupee symbol. Okay, rupee symbol is very essential here. Okay, now let's see regarding this. Okay, 2,32,270 divided by 1,40,000. Okay, while dividing it, you will get answer as 1.6590. So this is the answer regarding profitability index. Okay. So here for profitability index, as PI is greater than 1, hence the project is accepted, or project or machine. Okay, you can write anything, hence the project, you can write also project is accepted. So this conclusion you have to write. Okay, PV also we have to write a conclusion, that is, as NPV value is positive, hence the project is accepted. For both also you have to write the conclusion. Okay, so conclusion is very, very essential. This was all about NPV method and profitability index method. If you have understood the video, then please give a like to this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please comment how was my teaching, and if you have any doubts regarding the contents, then you can put your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.